Here I have Motorola Moto G10, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So firstly, you'll have to select preferred language. You can select one of these from this list. I just stay with English, then tap start. Then you can connect a SIM card to your device, but you can do this later and skip this step for now. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around you can just skip this step for now and do it anytime later. Then you have Google services. If you want them, just leave them. If you don't want them, you can disable them right now, but in any case you will have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can set up your PIN, or you can just skip this step for now and do this later in settings. Then you can enable or disable smart updates, then tap accept and continue, then tap next, then tap get started. Then you have this navigation tutorial, and then just like this, after this tutorial, go to the main screen, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.